say go time, friends. Are you ready? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and because we want you to be ready for all your planned, and unplanned guests this holiday season, here's a few tips to get your home ready. First, clean out your guest room closet to make sure your guests have room for their clothes, luggage, and gifts that they'll be bringing with them. Purchase or refresh your guest towels, organizing your bathroom cabinets, and stock them with guest toothpaste, toilet paper, and hand soap. Make sure you get your guest bedroom in good shape by thinking about linens and the proper lighting and those extra phone chargers that come in handy when people forget to bring those. Update your guest bedroom photos if applicable, so photos include your guests to make them feel right at home. Now create a coffee station, maybe in the bedroom they'll be staying in or conveniently in the kitchen, so guests can grab a cup of coffee no matter how early it is when they wake up. Purchase extra dishes, cups, or mugs, even stools, so you can easily gather around the kitchen table or island for your holiday extra goodies to share in that time together. Now, welcoming guests into your home during the holidays is one of the joys of the season, but when you're prepared for it, it allows you to enjoy it even more. Taking the steps now so you can enjoy all the pop-by visits and planned spontaneous ones will definitely add to the holiday season. Cheers to each holiday ahead and a Happy New Year.